picked this coffee table up off the street. It's damaged here, so this lip, which I don't think I'm gonna recreate. I think I'm just gonna remove that. It's veneer. This is plywood. I'm assuming this is plywood. It's particle board with the veneer. So I think the thought process is do something fun, interesting on the top, paint the base, fix all this up. At this moment, it's not really our style, but we're gonna fix that. All right, let's go. So, change of plans. This is beautiful. I went over it with 60 grit, thinking I was just going to blow through the veneer. I didn't. There's a little spot over here, but this is gorgeous. I'm not going to mess with this. We're not going to do a piecing. I'm going to see if I can keep this part intact. Throw a piece of leather in between for like a little bit of a modern sort of industrial-ish feel with some screws. Still gonna paint the base, but I'm gonna see if I can keep this as much as intact as possible because this is gorgeous. All right.